Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Susan Dagyu, 43 years old, with a living partner and blessed with two sons, 24 years old and 21 years old at present. My height is 5 feet and my weight is 45 kilograms. I'm college level, BSE, Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English. I work in abroad as a helper 4 years in the Middle East, 2 years in Kuwait, and 2 years in Saudi Arabia with the same job. My main duties are cleaning, ironing, washing, and taking care of 3 and 5 years old kids. I can cook also Filipino food and willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and take care of pets because I have pets also here in the Philippines like cats and dogs. So ma'am, sir, please do hire me as your helper. I'm trustworthy, humble, honest, hardworking, religious person, knows how to manage time wisely, and can follow instructions easily. So thank you and have a blessed day always.